Happy 4th of July, everyone. To those of you outside the United States, happy Wednesday, I guess. Now, today we're going to talk about our air intake. Now, I've only had it on for, not even sure. I'll post the link in the description of the install down below. Go check that out. You can see how bad of a job we did installing it. But we're going to talk about everything I love about this thing. Now, I don't have any complaints so far, except for one bolt, which when we get back, I'll show you that one bolt. It's not really an issue. It doesn't rattle. It doesn't make any excess noise. It's just something I noticed when I installed it. And when I edited the video, I had noticed that the bolt was kind of loose. So we're going to go touch that up today. Hopefully it'll be easy and I can just throw like a washer or something on it. But we're going to throw in some sound clips as we're driving so that you can hear all of that air intake. You'll probably get some of the blow-off valve too. We can talk about that a little bit also. But so far, I love this air intake. Now, it's made by CPE. You know this. You watched the install video. If you haven't, go check it out. It makes all kinds of cool noises. And on the plus side, I've noticed an increase in my gas mileage. So that's cool. It's mainly for me. I don't believe it makes a whole lot of extra power. You can feel a little extra responsiveness when you really hammer on it, but other than that, it's not really a horsepower kind of mod. The guy had a cool dog with him. Now you can hear the noises, it sounds amazing. Like I said, probably didn't gain a whole lot of horsepower. I'm sure there's some stuff online that says you did, but we're gonna go with it you didn't. It's mainly for the noises that we hear. I love everything about it. The blow-off valve, it all makes great noises. It makes the engine bay pop that bright red. It matches everything else that we're doing with the car. Going with the red and the silver. So it matches everything perfectly. We do have to repaint the engine cover a little bit to help it really match. But other than that, I have zero complaints. We're going to cut to some, hopefully the GoPro's picking up some good engine noises. Hopefully you can hear that thing really sucking in some air. But we're going to head back to the garage and we're going to try to fix up that one bolt. And hopefully that'll solve that little issue I have. My complaint about it. This lady almost just ran a red light. Just turn you guys around so you can see it. Now, if you watch the install video, you know it was pretty easy to install. The windshield wipers were the biggest pain about it. I couldn't get them off. You watch all kinds of YouTube videos and it just shows them popping your windshield wipers off, which, good for them. I couldn't do it. It was a pain. So, for me to you, that was the problems I had. So expect to run into that. If not, all the better. You're going to have an easier time installing it than I did. I did scratch it, however, putting it in, but you can't see it. So if I didn't tell you, you wouldn't know. But we're going to cut back to the garage, and we're going to try to find a washer or something so that we can fix that bolt. Before we finish up here, we're going to go over my one complaint about this air intake, and that's the one bolt I want to say that used to be the same mount for the stock one. I'll show you. Alright, so we gotta take our engine cover off. Get that out of the way. So I'm talking this bolt right here. Now, there's a lot of play in that. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna find a washer. Hopefully find a washer. And we're gonna fix that. I'll show you guys this too. I know I've been complaining about it a lot and how it's interrupting me. I'll show you what we're doing. But first, we gotta dig in here for a washer. That should work. Also, you either need our Allen keys or that should work. I think this is what I used last time. We're gonna set you guys somewhere. Yeah, so all we're going to do is take this off, and hopefully the two washers will help that bolt sit all the way down. I either think the bolt's too long, or the threads on that are mangled. So all we're going to do is, the washer's a little big, but it should still work. So we're just going to double that up. Hopefully it'll... Oh, look at that. Alright. So my complaint is no longer a complaint. It's all fixed. It's tight. It never made any noise or anything. I noticed it was loose. Now whether I put the wrong bolt in or what, not sure. But like I was telling you earlier, just the red color of this kind of fits the whole thing. Now, we do have to repaint that because I want it that color, because that matches more with the air intake. But other than that, so far, I kind of like where we're heading with this. I might paint the rest of this down here red, but we have our Steeda fuse box cover, our CPE air intake, our custom battery cover that we've done. Check back for videos if you haven't seen that. I have not made a video about this. I painted this way before I started YouTube, so that's fairly new. You haven't seen that. Don't worry about that. That's changing. I want to get this all red, Steeda, and then I want to get a Mishimoto coolant tank so that it all matches. It'll all go together. But I want to utilize my GoPro a little more, get you guys some more cool footage. I couldn't do an exhaust clip because I modified my suction cup mount to meet my Sony camera, that guy, so that I can use that in the car. Now what I did was, I kind of hacked up the clip so that there's one, and then I made a bolt so that it'll fit. So my GoPro unfortunately doesn't fit here anymore. I believe tomorrow, because today is Wednesday, July 4th, posting same day. I have a bunch of GoPro accessories coming tomorrow, so maybe by the Sunday video, because I don't have anything to install, more house stuff. So I want to do some cool clips, use the GoPro a little more, and we'll do that on Sunday for that post. But, I mean, I've been complaining a lot about this house stuff. I'll show you guys real quick what I've been doing, so that way you can't judge me. You know, I got stuff to do, man. Adulting sucks. But let me grab my keys. I'll show you what I've been doing to the house and what's been taking up all my time. Let me know down below who else is lazy and leaves their keys in their cup holder, because if not, they fall into that void of my seat and I never find my keys again. Well, this is our front entryway. God, it's so nice in here. Also, I live in New York and it's 91 degrees out, so it's like Death Valley to me. But this is our front entryway. Now I had a door there, you can kind of tell, and then there's also like a screen door here. So I just want it to be all one. Nice new floors, and I want to arch the ceiling. So this is what's been taking up all of my time. So we're going to take the ceiling out and we're going to arch that, make it look really cool. Don't even get me started on the floors. I'll type about it in the description if you really want to know. They suck. So that's what's been taking up all my time. So we'll try to get some more car stuff in there on Sunday. If you want to know anything else, you want to hear about anything else we put on the car, we're going to keep putting stuff on the car. But I appreciate you guys checking in. Subscribe, share. We're almost at 200. I believe as of right now, we're at 197 subscribers. So that's awesome. Channel's growing. I love it. We're going to keep posting videos. But I'll see you guys in the next video.